Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to get a refund for your ticket purchase on the AXS or Access app. So if you wish to get a refund for the ticket purchase on AXS app, you have to follow the steps. First thing, if refund for your event and transactions are approved by the applicable event or venue, you will be notified by the email, which will include instructions on how you can request a refund, such as you could go ahead and click the link below and submit a request and all sort of things. However, if you're unable to find the following link or some sort of refund policy is not present, there are high chances that you'll not be able to get a refund or there's no such refund policy. However, you can give it a try by contacting the support team. So you have to go to your profile and go to help and support. When you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you could go ahead and look for an option as refund policies, or else if you're unable to find this option, then you can also go to your search bar and type in request refund. When you go ahead and type in the following information, it's going to take you to the page, and here you have this link as can I ask or refund my ticket. Go ahead and press the link. It's going to take you to the article page where you have to go through it, and then you could also go ahead and talk or chat with the live chat agent by tapping on the question button. Over here you can state about the issue and you'll be provided with a list of information on what you should do and what are the terms and conditions, all sort of things, and you'll get a brief idea about it. And that's basically how you can go ahead and start with the refund policy. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.